Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make my holiday punch. I make this punch every year and it definitely brings back memories from my childhood every time I make it. So, if you want to see how, keep watching. Okay, real quick, we're going to go over everything that I'm going to be using to make my holiday punch. I have my tropical punch Kool-Aid. Of course, you guys can use whatever you want. We got our orange juice, our pineapple juice, our lemon juice, our ginger ale, the water back there in the back, and the pitcher was on the other side. You definitely need a pitcher. And what you guys didn't see is my sugar. I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of sugar. So first thing first, we're going to go ahead and get our Kool-Aid in there and our water. This is about 10 cups of water. And there's the sugar right there. I'm using pure cane sugar, 1 cup. Now, mind you guys, what I'm showing you of everything that I add into my punch, you definitely don't have to do this. You can adjust these ingredients to your liking, okay? So I eyeballed 3 cups of orange juice. I'm going in with about 4 squeezes of this lemon juice, which is about 4 tablespoons. And oh my God, I love pineapple juice, I swear. I love me some pineapple juice. I can literally drink this stuff, oh my God, every day, all day. If it wasn't so, it had so much acid in it. But yeah, I love pineapple juice. So now we're going ahead and get that ginger ale in there. And guys, oh my God, this holiday punch is the bomb. Like I told you guys, you can definitely adjust these ingredients to your liking. And normally I would add in fruit cocktail, but I did not have any. I have oranges and lemons. So what I did was slice up an orange, got that in there, and got a lemon for a garnish on the side of my glass with some ice. So that's pretty much it. Just showing you guys how I make my holiday punch. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.